Hey guys, whenever you're going to a restaurant or a hotel to have some food with your friends or family or going party in the weekends, make sure you use this offer. This is called walk-in offer from Zomato. Okay, let me tell you what is this walk-in offer very quickly. As you see in the picture, you've got 10% discount on bill, and not only that, a surprise gift in form of a gift card. When you scratch it, you will see the surprise gift after paying the bill, right? Now I'll show you how to pay the restaurant bill using Zomato to avail this walk-in offer. As you see in the picture, go to Zomato. Right on the home screen, you will see the dine out option. This is just a walk-in offer and you need not pre-book a table on Zomato to avail this offer. As you see in the picture, go to Zomato, go to dining. As you see in the picture, I haven't used any of these offers beforehand. Just I went to a restaurant and paid the bill using Zomato. Okay, come back and given the search bar as shown in the picture, the restaurant name to pay the bill. After giving the restaurant name, you will see this kind of screen appearing before you. You can click on pay bill. Once you click on that, you see you got to enter the bill amount. Here you can go through the offer details as 10% off on your bill, and not only that, after paying the bill, you'll get a scratch card. Now click on proceed to cart. Once you click on that, you can scroll down and click on view all benefits. When you click on that, you will see different types of coupons. If you are using any card, you can avail more discount. As you see in the picture, without availing any card discount, I've got here 186 rupees. This is auto applied, that is 10% off. As I said earlier, now you can pay the bill or check out. Okay, that's it done. But don't forget to scratch and win a surprise gift from Zomato. Unfortunately, I couldn't record that. I'm sorry. As you see in the picture, I've got 10% off plus scratch card. Okay, let me recall you one thing. You can avail this walk-in offer at any time to pay the restaurant bill without pre-booking on Zomato, right? Last but not least, let me tell you, do subscribe, share with your friends and family, keep smiling, have a good day.